Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to Reeves. I'm super excited for today's video, as always, and today we are going to be rating my subscribers' theme pages, and this is the part 4. I can't believe this series has gone to 4 parts. You guys seem to really love this series, and I love making these videos. I love judging your guys' theme page and giving creative criticism to all of you guys and helping you guys grow on Instagram. After the last episode of rating my subscribers' theme pages, the video did really well and I got so many submissions this time. Again, if you guys do want to submit your theme page to be on the next episode, which I do plan on making, I'm not sure how many episodes I am going to make of rating my subscribers' theme pages, but definitely there will be a part 5, so if you guys want to be entered into part 5 and judged on a video, make sure to follow me on Instagram at ReefsYT and just DM me whatever theme page you guys want to have featured in the next video. I do want to say that I do get a lot of submissions for this series. If you don't see your theme page in the video, don't worry about it. I always go through and I'm gonna try my best to review as many as I can over the course of this series. Also, let me know if you guys do actually love this series. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see or what you guys want me to do or change in the next episode or episodes to come. Also, make sure to leave a like on this video for the YouTube algorithm, and also only 12% of the people watching my videos are subscribed to my channel, so if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so that you guys don't miss the next episode. With that being said, we can get straight into it, but not before you get your 2 free stocks down in the description below. With Webull, I know I don't really talk about investments that much, but right now on Webull you guys can get 2 free stocks using my link below, and if you're not in the stock market, this is a great way to start out and get some 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,500, so go check it out if you guys want to. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so we got our first page here. This is Satis Perfect on Instagram. Really cool page. I really like how colorful it is. I mean, things tend to do better when they are more colorful, and people tend to just like colors a lot more than if it was just a bland, page. So I really like it, and they also have a really good logo, and yeah, they're just doing a great job about just color theme and just making it one theme for the page. It's very poppy and like colorful, so I really like that. They have some stories showing their newest post. That's awesome. Daily satisfying and relaxing videos. Follow me for the best content. Another hashtag for their page, which is really nice to see, and yeah, overall it's just pretty good. Really nice page to look at. I would say it's even better than some of the pages that we've seen in the past with hundreds of thousands of followers. I think doing like a color theme like this is pretty nice looking, and this kind of color theme type thing makes your page look a lot more professional. Okay, so let's go check out some of their posts. They're posting on Reels. That's awesome. Let's see what they're doing. So they're just pretty much posting satisfying videos and just really fun, colorful, cool videos. I like how they're just kind of sticking to this colorful theme when posting, and they seem to have some pretty cool content. And yeah, so it's just really nice that they're posting on Reels and they're providing a lot of content for this audience. And let's just check out their description. Okay, so they have follow their page, so that's good. Always have this in your caption when posting to follow you so that they remember to follow you and you can drive more followers. They have credit, awesome. And then I think that one thing that they can work on is not using so many hashtags. There's a little thing on Instagram to where if you use a lot of hashtags, they'll actually tend to shadow ban you. So if you could use less hashtags, I would say that's my only tip right now. They have some really cool videos. Like, this is a really awesome video, and they put it on Reels, and it seems to do well. I really like the theme of their page, and they seem really active, and they're posting a lot. I mean, look at all these videos they're posting on Reels. Look, this one got 49,000 views. This one got 100,000. They're doing really well, and I like this is exactly what I would want to do on my page. And yeah, so they seem to be taking, a lot of effort into this account, and you can really tell when someone puts effort into account. As you can see, 400,000 views on their Reels, 300,000. This is why I tell you guys to use Reels, because right now they're just really getting a lot of engagement, and it's really benefiting this account probably. They have 1,000 followers. I see that they're using the follow for follow method, I'm guessing, to grow when they were first starting. Now they don't really need to do that. I would just say keep posting, stay consistent. They don't have that many posts, so they're probably pretty new. And yeah, just keep going, keep doing what you're doing. I really like everything that you're doing. I would say it's a 9 out of 10 page. I would just say use less hashtags, to be honest. That's the only thing I could really critique you on. Okay, so our next page is Fantastic Fishes. Honestly, I did not know that there was theme pages about fishes, but I mean, I guess it's always cool to see new creative theme pages that are being brought up, and I'm sure there's an audience for this. So I mean, pretty good idea actually. And so we're going for stories, and wow, yeah, they have a bunch of stories with the new features that Instagram is promoting, so that's always good. Instagram really likes when you use their new features. They tend to promote it more and push your content to more people. So I guess they did the follow for follow method to start growing. I think they should follow a little bit less people. If you could just take some time to maybe unfollow a few thousand people, get it down to around 2,000, that would look a lot cleaner. They do have 4,000 followers, so they're doing well. Not that many posts, so I'm guessing they're pretty new. And yeah, it looks pretty good. They have their own custom logo for it, so that looks nice. And let's check out some of their content. So they just posted this about a turtle, which is actually pretty cool. I actually think this page is pretty decent. I like all the content that they're posting. This is something that I would be interested in personally myself. I mean, it's all really cool posts, and I think they all have a really good chance of going viral. Let's check out some of their captions. So they have pretty funny captions. They said, "Voldemort, is this you? Best caption wins below." And that's just encouraging people to comment, which is more engagement, which is fantastic. And then they have some tags. I would say use less tags. Like I said in the last page, I don't think Instagram really likes when you use too many tags or spam hashtags. So I would just say do that. Let's check out some of the reels. Let's see how they're doing on reels. And okay, so they've been posting a lot. That's good. Make sure you guys are using reels for real, guys. You guys want to use them because it's really a good tool right now on Instagram. They seem to be getting a few thousand views per reel, which is nice. I'm sure they're reaching a new audience, getting some new followers. This one has 35,000. So yeah, they're doing well. I really like this page. I would just say use less hashtags, you know, keep posting, stay consistent, maybe unfollow a few people, and just keep it up. I would say this page is probably an 8 out of 10. Thank you for submitting. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, so the next page is Only Animal People, and they have a picture of a kitty. And animals, wildlife, and facts. Instagram's coolest content. Check out my stories for animal facts. Let's check it out. And yeah, they have some polls. That's cool. They have some cute animals. Awesome. I really like this page already, and I see that they use the follow for follow method to grow. I mean, I think they should just follow a little bit less people. 7,000 is a bit much, and they're over their limit apparently. So yeah, they have a goal for 20,000. They definitely can hit it. And yeah, I really like their posts already. Wow, they're actually getting pretty good engagement. I mean, look at this post. This was posted 9 hours ago, and it has 1,500 likes on a page with 15,000 followers. So they're doing really well. I really like these posts. They're all pretty viral images. I mean, look at this. 5,000 likes on this post. That's doing very well for a page with 15,000 followers. Extremely rare and beautiful. I mean, it's a viral image. I mean, it looks really fantastic. It's a white deer. It's something that you would want to post, so they're doing really well with their posts and what they're choosing to post about. I think they're doing a really good job at targeting their niche, and they really understand what kind of audience they're looking for. I mean, look at this post. This is why you guys got to use Reels. 1.4 million views on a page with 15,000 followers. That's absolutely fantastic, and that's probably what got them to 15,000 followers. I mean, all of these posts are just super high quality, fantastic images. Doing a really good job. I mean, there's nothing really I could critique here. I would just say follow a little bit less people. Besides that, I would give this page a 10 out of 10. I love this page. It's just a great name and just overall great page. Okay, so we're on to our fourth and final page of this episode. We got daily travel page. And yeah, so it's a page about traveling. They're using the follow for follow method, which is great to grow when you're first starting. However, I think they're following a little bit too many people right now, so just maybe get that down to 2,000 and it would look a lot cleaner, and more people are gonna more likely want to follow you. So yeah, so they got a lot of stories right now. Good, they're using all of these features. We'll just do that. And yeah, so let's check out some of their posts. So they're really doing a good job about picking viral images. I like all of these images. I mean, look at this one. This one has 2,000 likes on a page with that doesn't even have 2,000 followers. So they're obviously reaching a new audience by posting on this page. I would just put less tags, like I said in the last few pages that we reviewed. They're doing a good job. They say follow daily travel page, so they're encouraging follows, which is always great. They're getting a lot of engagement actually for a page that doesn't have that many followers, which is fantastic. I mean, 1,000 likes on a page that has 1,000 followers is wonderful, and this is what you guys should be aspiring to get if you are running a theme page. Let's check out some of the reels. So they only have a few reels posted. I would just say a tip for them is to just post more reels. I mean, they're picking good videos to post on reels. I just think that they haven't hit any new audience yet. I mean, I would just say stay consistent with it and keep posting, and you'll eventually see one go viral. But yeah, besides that, they're pretty new to the game and they've just been posting quite a bit. They only have 40 posts, so they're relatively pretty new to everything. They even have a wallpapers tab, which is really nice for their audience. They're providing extra to their audience so that they actually are going to want to engage with their content even more. So they're just doing a good job overall. I like everything that they're doing. I would give this page 8 out of 10. I would just say follow a little bit less people and definitely don't use as many hashtags, because after a while of posting with a lot of hashtags, Instagram will catch on and probably just reduce your reach a little bit less. So you don't want to do that. Maybe use 5 to 10 hashtags on your posts, guys, just so you guys know. Anyways, this is a great page. The name is fantastic. Daily travel page. Awesome page overall. 8 out of 10. Thank you. So that concludes episode 4 of rating my subscribers' theme pages. Again, if you really like this series, let me know in the comments down below so that I keep making more of these videos. So leave a like on this video for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to turn on bell notifications for your subscription so that you guys never miss a new video on this channel. I also wanted to say, if you guys want to submit your theme page to be featured on these videos, make sure to follow me at ReevesYT on Instagram and DM me your theme page wanting to be featured. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love making these videos and I love helping you guys out on Instagram with your theme pages. If you guys did, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks down below at Webull when you deposit $100. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reeves, and peace out, YouTube.